Welcome back to my orchid garden. How's your day going? Have you ever watched your precious orchids start to wither and felt completely powerless? Don't worry today. We're turning things around. I'm going to show you a simple yet powerful way to revive a struggling orchid and bring it back to life. Let's work some orchid magic together. Let's clear away the old moss and soil. Over time, they hold too much moisture, which can suffocate the roots and cause rot or fungal infections. By giving our orchid a fresh, airy environment, we're setting it up for strong, healthy growth. Also, where are you tuning in from? Drop your city or country in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're struggling with anything in your orchid care journey, let me know. Let's learn and grow together. No worries if you're having trouble with the language. Our videos come with subtitles in over 100 languages, including English, French, German, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, and more. Here's how to turn them on. 1. Tap the settings icon on the video. 2. Select subtitles, CC. 3. Choose your language from the list. 4. If it's not available, select Auto Translate and pick your preferred language. In just a few clicks, you can enjoy the video in a language that's comfortable for you. Hope you have a great time watching. Don't forget to wash it. Let's remove those rotten roots. They're not just taking up space. They can actually harm the orchid by spreading disease and blocking healthy root growth. By trimming them away, we're giving our orchid a fresh start, allowing it to focus on growing strong, new roots. Trust me, this simple step makes all the difference. Now, let's use cinnamon to disinfect the cuts. Cinnamon isn't just a kitchen spice. It's a natural antifungal and antibacterial agent It helps protect the orchid from infections. Simply sprinkle a little cinnamon on the trimmed roots, and it will speed up healing while keeping bacteria and fungi away. This small step goes a long way in ensuring our orchid stays healthy and strong. Oh, have you ever thought that cinnamon, yes, the same spice in your kitchen, could be a lifesaver for your orchids? Well, let me tell you, it's like a little magic dust for them. 500 milliliters hot water. First, cinnamon is packed with cinnamaldehyde, a natural antifungal and antibacterial compound. That means when we sprinkle a bit of cinnamon on our orchids' cut roots or leaves, it helps prevent infections and keeps bacteria and fungi from creeping in. Rice water is like a secret energy drink for orchids. Pouring 500 milliliters hot water. Packed with vitamin B, amino acids, and minerals, it strengthens roots, boosts growth, and keeps leaves lush and green. The natural starch even helps beneficial bacteria thrive. Instead of tossing it, let's use it to nourish our orchids. Trust me, they'll love it. Soak it for 20 minutes. Onion. Let's chop the onions into small pieces. The smaller, the better. This helps release all the beneficial compounds that will support our orchid's growth. Onions aren't just for cooking. They're a secret booster for orchids too. They're packed with sulfur, which helps fight off bacteria and fungi, keeping your orchids safe from infections. Plus, they contain vitamin C and B6, which support root growth and overall plant health. A little onion magic goes a long way in keeping your orchids strong and thriving. Soaking it for 30 minutes. Let's strain the turmeric water. Combined with onion water. Do not forget to filter with rice water. The cinnamon, onion, and rice water solution is a powerhouse for orchids. Together, this solution helps orchids grow stronger, fight off diseases, and thrive beautifully. Let wipe the orchid. Using a cotton ball to wipe your orchid's leaves isn't just about keeping them clean. It's a simple but powerful way to help them thrive. Keeps leaves hydrated when using natural solutions like aloe vera or rice water, providing extra nutrients. Let soaking it in 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we'll gently wipe the orchid again to remove any excess solution and let it dry completely for a day. This helps the plant absorb all the nutrients while preventing excess moisture from causing any fungal issues. Patience is key. By tomorrow, our orchid will be refreshed and ready for the next step in its recovery. After a day, our orchid is looking fresh and ready. We're going to place the orchid in a jar and add some water. This will create a humid environment, encouraging the roots to grow stronger and absorb nutrients more efficiently. Over time, you'll see fresh, healthy roots starting to develop. We'll use the remaining solution to nourish other orchids. Nothing should go to waste when it comes to plant care. This mixture is packed with essential nutrients, helping orchids grow stronger, develop vibrant green leaves, and produce healthy roots. Just take a look at my orchids. They're always in bloom, full of life, and thriving beautifully. This method has never failed me, and I truly believe it can bring out the best in your orchids too. Try it, give your plants some love, and soon you'll have a garden full of stunning flowers. Have you ever tried something similar? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your orchid growing experiences. After 5 weeks, the transformation is truly amazing. The leaves have grown lush and vibrant, a deep, healthy green that catches the light beautifully. Meanwhile, the roots have flourished long, plump, and reaching out eagerly in all directions. Their silvery green tips show they're actively absorbing nutrients, ensuring the orchid gets everything it needs to thrive. Some roots have even started wrapping around the pot, a sure sign of a strong and happy plant. And just look at that new growth. Fresh leaves are beginning to emerge from the center, proof that this orchid is not just surviving, it's thriving. We're going to use pine bark as the main growing medium for our orchid. Why? Because orchids love a well-ventilated environment, and pine bark provides the perfect balance of moisture retention and airflow. It keeps the roots from staying too wet, preventing rot while still giving them the hydration they need. We're also going to use moss to help keep our orchids' roots perfectly hydrated. Moss is amazing because it holds moisture without making the roots too wet, creating a gentle, humid environment that orchids love. It's especially great for young orchids or those recovering from stress, as it helps encourage new root growth while keeping everything breathable. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope this video has given you some useful tips and inspiration to care for your orchids with confidence. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more orchid care secrets. Wishing you happy and healthy orchids. See you in the next video.